In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Adobe Acrobat to read to you. This is a really handy feature, especially if you prefer listening over reading or if you need to multitask. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure that you can easily access this feature whenever you need it. To begin, you'll find yourself on the home page of Adobe Acrobat. Now, you have a couple of options here to start working on a document for which you want to activate the Read Aloud feature. You can either decide to create a new document or open up something you've been working on recently. For today, let's opt for recent work. This is a great way to quickly access documents you've been working on, and it saves you the time of having to locate these files manually on your device. Just click on it, and it will direct you to your recently opened files. Once you're viewing your recent documents, take a moment to locate the document you'd like Adobe Acrobat to read to you. Adobe organizes these files in a manner which makes retrieval quite intuitive, so locating what you're looking for should be a breeze. When you've opened the document, the next step is to engage the Read Aloud feature. This is key if you want Adobe Acrobat to narrate the contents of your document. You'll find this option by looking for the Read Aloud icon, or sometimes it might appear as a headset icon on the tool pane. Simply click on the icon and this will activate the Read Aloud functionality. At this point, Adobe Acrobat will begin to read the document to you. If this is your first time using this feature, it might be worth adjusting the settings a little bit to tailor the experience to your liking. Check if there are settings available for controlling the voice type or speed to make the reading session more comfortable for your ears. Having Acrobat read to you can be particularly useful in a variety of situations. For example, if you are proofreading content and want to audit it audibly, or if you're engaged in some household chores and still want to keep up with document reviews or reading. Remember, utilizing the Read Aloud feature doesn't only provide convenience, but also opens up opportunities for multitasking and experiencing your documents in a new way. If you run into any hiccups with the features not working as expected, ensure your software is up to date, as outdated versions might not support some functionalities. With these steps, you'll be comfortably listening to your documents without any hassle, making your reading experience more dynamic and accessible than ever before. Enjoy adding this useful tool to your software repertoire, and happy listening!